Here's today's leg workout. The first exercise was a hamstring curl. The focus of this exercise was to get as much blood as physically possible into them hamstrings. I'm pointing my toes and extending a little bit through the hips at the top to really focus on that squeeze and going slowly up for about a 3-4 second concentric. Then I move on to the glute ham raise. I use this as my predictor lift for the workout, where I'm controlling down and then really exploding up, pushing my toes against the platform and driving my heels up against the pad to get a big contraction through them hamstrings. Then we moved on to the hack squat. Here my heels are together, feet are externally rotated, and I'm flaying my knees out. This is all to hit the vatus lateralis throughout the movement. I'm making sure I'm not locking out to keep continual tension, which was for about 20 to 30 reps. Then I moved on to the leg extension. Here I'm internally rotating my toes as I extend through the movement to try and hit that outside of my quads again. There was 2 normal sets, then the last set I went to failure, dropped the weight, carried on for a few more. Then once I'd reached concentric failure, came into a static position, as you can see there, and my training partner pushed against the pad. I then moved on to a hamstring exercise. Now I'm trying to really lengthen out and stretch out the hamstrings as much as possible. I'm not coming to full extension, so I keep constant tension on the muscle. I'm also locking and twisting my heels in against the floor to make sure I get a full contraction of them hamstrings throughout the whole movement. Then from there I moved on to a loaded hamstring stretch. This was held for about 60 seconds. After about 30 seconds I moved a little bit deeper into the stretch to really make sure I get as much length as physically possible through them hamstrings.